Good morning, gardeners. I am here to report something amazing that I found yesterday at THD. And if you don't know what THD is, I will tell you. It's the Home Depot. Okay, so if I say THD, that's what I'm talking about. But I went there for something totally different, and I stumbled upon this. Mr. Lincoln, Mr. Lincoln, how you doing today? Yes, sir. I was so excited to come across these babies. I've been looking for these for over a year, and I know in some of the nurseries, they charge between, I'd say $25 and $50 for these. And then the shipping is totally outrageous, but I understand it. I get it. Shipping is expensive nowadays. So I know that THD carried these, and every time I would look online, it said it was sold out. So when I went yesterday to look for something totally different, and I waltzed through the gardening center like I always do, I came upon these, and I was like, $8.98 a piece? What? Yes, you're coming home with me. They had 4 of these, and I said, I'm going to be nice and leave them for someone else. So I'm going to start off with 2, and then I can build my collection from there as needed. So I was so excited. I wanted to scream in the store, but I didn't want anyone to call the police on me and have me carried away in a paddy wagon. So I kept the scream inside, went to my car, screamed, and I brought these beautiful beauties home. I'm so excited. This is a hybrid tea rose, and this one it can get tall. I read where it can get between 4 and 6 feet tall, and even up to 8 feet tall. So, we'll see. I won't let it get that tall, but it has the most beautiful fragrance. It's a very popular rose and has won several awards for being such a high quality, beautiful, fragrant rose. So I can't wait to get these into the garden. I don't know where I know where I'm going to put one, but I'm not sure where I'm going to put the other, so we'll see. But anyways, I thought I'd share, so you better run. Don't walk, run to THD or to the Blue Store or to wherever you shop to get your gardening supplies and flowers and tools and things like that. Because, boy, I'm just so excited. Oh, and side note, the cashier was telling me they had last week at THD a half price sale on roses. So if I was there last week, I could have got these babies for $9 for both. But it's okay. It's okay because I still saved quite a bit of money on these 2. So thought I'd let you know, thought I'd share. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.